class, my name is Instructor Fran and I wanted to welcome you to English 101, and I also wanted to give you some tips on how to navigate our class. So when you open up your class site, I think you should be taken to this page. If you're not, hopefully you're taken to the modules page, but hopefully you're taken to this page, and if that's the case, it just gives you some basic information and it has a button that says Start Here. If you click on that Start Here button, it's the same thing as clicking on the module buttons on the left-hand side. Key point to take away from this video is the whole class is organized by modules. So either clicking on modules or the Start Here is the best thing to do. So I'm going to click on Start Here, and it's a little slow loading. But you'll see we'll get to the same view. You can see this is the modules view as well. Okay, and that's how the class is organized. So this video is going to live in the Start Here area, but since I'm making it, it's not there yet, so I'm not going to click on that. Instead, I'm going to show you what would happen if you went to the next page. So basically, you're going to work through the modules chronologically. I have them ordered in what makes sense for how you should work through them. Okay, so you can either just click on something and then go back every time after you've finished it to click on the next one, or what you'll see is when you click on any of the elements, and then it's just taking a little time to load, sorry about that. Once they load up, you can scroll down and then you can use the next button, and that'll take you to the next page or assignment or whatever that's in the module. So remember to navigate through the modules. Okay, so next thing to keep in mind is for week 1, it's the only time you actually work through 2 modules. You work through the welcome module and you work through the week 1 module. This is like the first academic module. The other module, the welcome module, really gets you acquainted with how to work through the class and make sure that you know what's going on with the expectations, and then introducing yourself. But yeah, everything else for week 1 is going to be in this week 1 module, so make sure you work through that. Sorry, zoned out there. Okay, so the next thing to keep in mind is that I'm here to help you. It's really my favorite part of the job, is making sure that if you have questions that I get them answered. I'm a teacher, so I'm here to help. If you have questions, this inbox over here, that's the best way to get a hold of me. Okay, I check that regularly. I don't check my email, that's why I don't really put that in too prominent area on this page. So click on that inbox icon. I'm not going to click on it myself because I have messages from other students in there, but that's where you can see messages from me, where you can make compose messages to me as well. If there's a number on that inbox, then that means that you have that many messages that are unread in your inbox. So make sure you reach out to me if you have questions. And then the final thing that I wanted to tell you is there'll be announcements every Monday and Thursday. If for some reason something comes up and I have a surprise, like an unplanned announcement, like I usually get assignments back to you graded within 1 week. If there's something that comes up that makes me not be able to do that and I write an announcement, then maybe you'll see another announcement along the way. But usually they're Mondays and Monday mornings, Thursday afternoons, that kind of help review what's going on for the week. Make sure you read those announcements. It's really important when they pop up, just so that you can either be clear on what's expected of you for the week, or if I have something that's important for everybody to take note of. So hopefully that worked. Again, welcome. I'm really excited to have you in class. Again, reach out to me through the inbox if you have questions. I can set up phone calls times, Zoom times, things like that if you need to chat. But a lot of times we can get a lot answered through the messages. But yeah, look forward to working with you.